Hi, I'm Adam with Massage Chair Planet, and today we are going to do an assembly video of the Osaki Solis massage chair. The Solis is a new dual roller massage chair in the Osaki lineup. It is a part of their high-end line. It has a great stretch. I can't wait to put it together and do a demo video for you guys and a review. So right now I'm going to introduce my assembly guys, Jose and Raul, and they are going to put this together. So here you are. As you can see, the leg rest part is on it at the bottom, so it's attached, which is a little different than some other Osaki chairs. So there you are. So it's already put together. All you have to do is flip it down. We'll take off all the plastic protection. And here you can see these were all the hookups. This is where all the hookups will be. Right here, this is for the remotes. The remote stand over on this side. You have the dual rollers. You have one set down here. You have another set that's up here. And we'll go over all that with the review. But right now, we're just going to finish the assembly. So here's your back pad, and this will just zipper on, and that little plug that was at the bottom gets connected down here. I'm sure that is for the air control or heat for the lower back that's on that back pad. And you have a little buckle here for it to hold on to so it stays in place. So we just undid a little screw that was on the end of that C-clamp. We slid the nylon from the seat pad onto the little bar, and now we're tightening it up, and that'll keep the back pad and seat pad down tight. It also has Velcro on each side, as you can see.
Then you have to take it off.
Okay, there's the protection on the Velcro that is just for shipping purposes that we'll throw away. And now the Velcro from the bottom of the seat pad can stick very nicely to the bottom on both sides. There you are. Yep, and then you have a zipper at the front of the seat. We're just going to zipper that up. There we are. So that is pretty easy.
And from the zipper here?
Yep, and then we have a zipper on the side for each side right here. So right on the side you're going to see the zipper, and we're just going to zipper this down to there on the side. And it's the same on both sides. Yep, there we go. So we're just going to zipper both sides down from top to the bottom.
Got it?
And it's,
Hold it.
you need small hands to do this, so kind of a challenge for those of us with bigger hands. But there we go. We just zip. It kind of goes down like 3/4 of the way. So right to there.
You got one more on top.
And then we have one at the top over here. Okay. So that holds the whole back seat cover on in all 4 sides of it. There you are. Pretty easy. And that covers that. If you ever want to, you can unzip the whole back cushion from it, or you can just unzip the pillow by itself. So right there. So that's it. Now we're going to open up the box, the little accessory box over here. In the accessory box, you can see that you have the remote control holder, the stand. The cord is already attached to it right here. That's going to plug it into the other side. It's on the chair. You can see that plug right there, a little DIN connector. 4 pins. There's the remote control, packaged real nicely with bubble wrap. And then we also have a power cord, and you have an owner's manual, operating instructions as well. So that's everything. All we have to do here is put the holder in there like so. Flip it around so the user could see it.
This one. No.
And then we have to just find the other end, which is right here, for the remote. So this way the remote will just plug into that. And you just push it in tightly, you tuck it back in. Oh, you have a little cap here that screws on. So we will lead that end and just screw it on so that it stays in place nice and tightly. So it's nice and snug. And then we just hide the cord in the side of the chair, and we're done. All we have to do now is put it in place, plug it in, turn the power on from the back. There should be a power switch as well. And then we're done. So there we are, right behind that panel. So we're good. All right, we'll show you when it's in place in a few seconds. So here we are putting the new Solis in place in our lineup. As you could see, you could just tip it on its back. It has wheels and it can roll around pretty easily. So we're gonna go back. If you're at home, you really only need this about 2 to 3 inches away from your wall because it's a wall hugger. But we have plenty of room here, so we're going to back it up to the window. You can see the power cords on the side here. The left side as you're sitting in it, you have the power cord that plugs in, and then a switch, a power switch. So all we need to do is plug it in, turn that power switch on, and we'll be ready to use our new chair. So there we are, power cord plugged in on the side. The orange power light comes on, as you can see. You can turn that switch off if you're going away on a vacation or if you're going to want the chair off for a long period of time. And then Jose's just going to pull it back in place. Pretty easy to grab it from the back. Well, maybe not. maybe I spoke too soon. So Raul, oh no, he's got it. Okay, we're just going to line it up the rest of our chairs, like so, and we are ready to use it. Keep an eye out for the review. Please give a thumbs up if you like this assembly video for the Osaki Solis, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can call Massage Chair Planet at 888-346-3220. Thank you for watching.